In this video, I'll show you how to pair your own wireless earbuds with your Android smartphone or tablet. So let's get started right away. First thing is to put back the earphones into their case. Close the case, open the lid, and keep the lid open like this. You're gonna see the lights flashing over here on them. Meanwhile, take your Android smartphone or tablet and we need to go into the settings. There's multiple ways how to do this. The easiest is to drag down from the top right corner and then you're gonna have the small settings icon here. Click on it. Once you're over here, you're gonna go into connection, should be one of the first option. Then make sure that Bluetooth is turned on and then tap on Bluetooth. You're going to have a few devices appearing in this list, and on dot true wireless or on and something else should be on this list. Tap on it. Then you're going to receive this message on the bottom. Simply click on pair. And once they are paired, you're going to see over here connected for calls and audio, and the lights will stop blinking on the pair of earbuds. You can click on the small settings icon that is on the right side of the name, and here you can select if you want to use them for calls and audio. So audio is for music, or if you just want to use them for one specific thing. Let's say you don't want to use them for calls, you can remove calls. You can also rename them. Over here, this is the default name, but if you tap on rename, you can give these a new name. So it could be your name and earphones if you prefer that. And on the bottom, we have two more options. We have disconnect. This will disconnect the earphones from your phone, obviously, and in case, let's say, you want to use the speakers of your phone instead. And you also have unpair. Unpair is if you do not want to use them anymore with your phone. Once you check unpair, you'll need to pair them back again the way I just showed you. They will not connect automatically anymore if you press on unpair. If you want to use them with another device, well, you'll have to unpair them from the main device which they are paired. So over here, I'll tap unpair. Okay, good. And now let's say I want to pair them with, let's say, a tablet. I just have to open them, keep the lid open like this. And once the lights are flashing, you can go ahead and repeat the process I just showed you. Now let me show you how to control your music and also how to take call with your new earbuds. Okay, let's start on how to control your music or your movies. So if you want to play, simply double tap the side of your earbuds anywhere here, a strong double tap. This will start playing your music or movie. If you want to pause, double tap the same way. And this works with the left side and also on the right side. If you want to listen to the previous song, simply press on the left side your earbuds during 1.5 seconds. Keep it pressed. Like this. So this was on the left earbud. If you want to go on the next song, do the same thing but on the right side earbud. So keep press during 1.5 seconds and release on the right side if you want to get on the next song. If you want to use Siri or your voice assistant, you'll need to press 3 times the earbud. 1, 2, 3. And this will launch the assistant. It's very important to note that you need to do these press very fast, not slow, not like this for a double tap. You need to be quick. 1, 2. Now let me show you how to take calls and how to reject them. So let's say somebody is calling you. You can do this on the right side or on the left side. It does not matter. You simply need to answer the call, double press the earbud. Once you're done and you want to end the call, double press the earbuds the same way. And this will end the call. If somebody is calling you and you want to reject this incoming call, either on the left side or the right side, you're going to keep pressed the earbud during 1.5 seconds and release. This will reject the call. Unfortunately, on many wireless earbuds, you cannot control the volume on the earbuds themselves. There's no controls for this. Some models may have this, but these basic ones unfortunately don't come with that. It means that the volume is controlled either from your computer or phone with the volume buttons. So this is it. This is how you control your own wireless earbuds. If this was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.